All right, so hi everyone. It seems like we are live now. We are here with a very awesome opportunity for the 2023 batch students. So please confirm in the chat below if we are completely audible and visible to you guys, and then we can start the session. All right, hi Sai, thank you for confirming. So let's also wait for a few more people to join. Meanwhile, please confirm in the chat if we are audible and visible to you so that we can proceed with this session. Okay, so let's start. So this hiring is by IBM for the profile of software engineer. It is for the 2023 batch graduates, and this is a women's only drive. But don't worry, there's a lot that you can learn about it, even if you cannot apply for it. And off-campus drive by IBM will be announced very soon for all the students. So have a look at this drive, get to know all that you need to know about IBM and how to register for it. And we hope we can help as many of you as we can. And if you are eligible for it, then you'll definitely find the session very helpful. So the profile is software engineer. And let's just come down to the eligibility criteria and see what are the requirements for this particular drive. So you have master's and bachelor's degree in computer science engineering or other relevant fields. So if you belong to the engineering field from the computer science background, pursuing your master's or bachelor's, you can apply for this drive. And then you have strong expertise in system software programming skills such as C, C++, Java, Python, Golang, React.js, and Groovy. Then you have strong knowledge of operating concepts, data structures, and algorithms. Again, very important. Experience with cloud computing technologies such as Red Hat, OpenShift, microservices architecture, etc. Then you have communication skills. Obviously, that goes again for any profile that you want to apply to. All right. So there are also preferred, expertise that they have mentioned here. These are the ones that you see, like the ones that you see here are the required skills. And if you also have the skills mentioned below, it would be a plus point. So knowledge of OpenStack, security, virtualization management, cloud concepts. Then you have web UI frameworks and, a few other concepts mentioned here, practical working experience with Java, JavaScript, and proven interpersonal skills. So this was all about the eligibility criteria. Again, guys, if you are from the 2023 batch and, if you belong to the CS background and you fulfill the criteria here, no, they have not mentioned any minimum academics requirement here as such as 50% or 60%. So we can assume that most of you would be able to apply for this drive. So yeah, that was about the eligibility criteria. Let's also check out a few more information mentioned here. So states and cities are multiple. So basically there are multiple job locations for this particular profile. And then required education again is bachelor's. But if you're also pursuing your master's, then you can apply for it as well. So yeah, that was about it. How can you apply for this drive? Just click on the apply now button. You will be redirected to their sign in page where you can register with your email ID if you do not have an account already. If you have one, please log in and then you'll get the form section. So under the form section, you will be required to, fill in all the correct details regarding your college, your batch of graduation and everything else. Apart from that, make sure to just while you're filling up the form, make sure that you are filling in all the information correctly. And do let us know on Instagram if you need any help regarding that. Our team is active on our Instagram handle, and we would be glad to help you out. So that was about the job profile and the hiring. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the chat below. We are live for a few more minutes because we have another session for TCS NQT coming right after this one. So stay active here. And if you have any questions regarding the IBM hiring, please drop them in the chat below. All right, so all those who are wondering about the link to apply, don't worry. The link to apply will be available in the description of this video once the session ends. And there will be a structured post coming up on our Instagram handle in the next few minutes. So make sure that you're following us on Instagram. Let me also show it to you. So this is our Instagram handle for the 2023 batch, and it's called Prepinster 2023. If you're not joined, if you're not following us here, if you're not joined with the community, please make sure to join us on Instagram. The link will be available in the live chat as well as in the description of the video. So this is our exclusive Instagram handle for the 23 batch. We also have Instagram handles for the 24, 22, 21 batches as well. So you can find a lot of, informational posts here. You can find a lot of hiring updates here. If you're looking for structured and detailed posts on how to, apply for a drive, how to get hiring opportunities, how to receive updates on what's happening in the market currently. Let's take thesis and QT, for example. We have been posting the entire day today and even yesterday about thesis and QT, all slots, exams, how and what you need to be mindful of. And make sure that you're following us. And the link is already, again, shared in the live chat as well as in the description of the video. All right, so let's come back to IBM. If you have any queries, guys, please drop them in the chat. We are live for a few more minutes. Okay, so people are asking, is it for women? Yes, basically we will be sharing the link with you. IBM posted about this on their on their LinkedIn, where they claim that you have to come to this page, fill in the application for this one. And once you receive an email from them, you will receive a reference number, which you will be required to fill in for the other form. So let me also show it to you. So this is basically the post. You'll be required to fill in the candidate reference number in the second link. So everything will be coming up on our Instagram along with the steps to apply, how to apply, and whatever you need to know will be shared by the team on Instagram. So make sure to DM us if you have any queries regarding the registration process. Ashish is asking if it is off campus. Yes, Ashish, yes, it is an off campus drive. Although it's only for women, this particular one, but we are expecting a drive by IBM for all students very, very soon. So make sure that you are again following us on our social media handles, be it Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, whichever platform that you prefer, make sure you are following us there. We are present mostly on all the social media platforms. And people are again asking for the link. The link will be shared in the description of the video once this session ends, and it will be there on our Instagram handle very soon. So make sure that you are joined. Okay, Pratusha is asking about the syllabus, and I saw a few more comments regarding the preparation for this drive. So how can you prepare for this drive? Let's also discuss that. Uh, you know, you can just come down to Prepinster Prime first of all. If you are new to the channel, hello. This is a website that we have created especially for you, where we have included everything that you need to know regarding IBM, TCS, or any other company that you're preparing or job role that you're preparing for. So you can just come down to Prepinster Prime, keep scrolling down, and find IBM under the company section right here, and you would be able to prepare for it. Apart from that, if you just check out the skills that are mentioned here, like programming skills like C, C++, Java, Python, DSA, or OOPS concept and everything else, if these are the things that you are focusing on or you want to start your preparations for, just come down to Prepinster Prime. We have the popular languages section right here with all the 4 languages listed. We also have the popular skills section where you can just come down, check out all the skills that you need to learn or you want to explore. So let's say you want to start your preparations for AI, ML, DSA, OOPS, any of the things. Just come down to this section, keep scrolling down, find the course that you're looking for and start preparing. By the way, you will also be issued an end degree certificate once you complete your languages and skills courses. So that would also be a proof of concept that you have actually learned and you can later on include it in your resume. So yeah, in case you were wondering, there is that for you, Pratyusha. All right, guys. Some people are asking about 10th and 12th criteria, any marks criteria. No, as I said earlier in the video, they have not mentioned any such details in the form so far. So we are assuming that there is no criteria, or if there could be, we will definitely post about it on our Instagram handle as we do for all the drives. And we take regular Instagram live sessions as well regarding all the current hirings and how you can prepare for them or how you can apply for them. By the way, this if the job hiring does have a deadline as well. The registrations will close upon the 24th of August. So in case you are eligible for it or wondering to apply for it, please make sure that you're not wasting any more time and you're applying to the drive as soon as possible. So we are live for a few more minutes. If you have any questions, please drop them in the chat below. We would be glad to help you out. Okay, it's almost the same kind of questions. Okay, again, people who are asking about the eligibility criteria, it was already explained in the beginning of this video. So in case you missed this session, do not worry, this video will be available on our YouTube channel once the live session ends. So you can definitely rewatch it or share it with a friend who couldn't join this live session and let them know about this hiring opportunity by IBM. So that was all about IBM, I guess. If you still have any queries, make sure to DM us on Instagram, that is on Prepinsta 2023, or give us a call on 844-844-0710. You can directly talk to our team, ask all your doubts, and you can get personalized guidance for all your queries as well. So that was it. We have another YouTube live session coming right after this one, I guess, in the next 10 minutes. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel if you are new, or if you are an old subscriber, make sure that you are present here. We are running a TCS NQT marathon to make sure that your TCS NQT preparations are going really well. Or if you have appeared for your examinations, you can just come down, check out the answers for today's examination and check out which questions did you do, if you did the right, if you all the questions that you solved were right or not. You can also have a look at the session for that. So thank you so much for joining. Again, stick around. Another session is coming up in the next 10-15 minutes. So make sure to be live for that, be here for that as well. And we'll see you in the next session.